Hello everyone, you are welcome to solve for the value of x given this nice logarithm equation, which is log x plus 3 to the power of 12 to base 2. This is equal to 36. What is the value of x? Let's provide the solution from here. So we have here log x plus 3 raised to power 12 to base 2. This is equal to 36. So now you find that log x plus 3 to power 12 to base 2. This is in the form of log a to power n, which we can express as n log a. So applying this power rule property of logarithm, then you find that log x plus 3 to the power of 12 becomes 12 log x plus 3 to base 2 here. This is equal to 36. The next step is to divide both signs by 12, so that now 12 here simplifies, so that we have log x plus 3 to base 2. This is equal to 36 divided by 12, which is equal to 3. Now, in the next step, we have that log x to base a, this is equal to b. Now, given log x to base a equal to b, we can express this into index notation as a to the power of b. This is equal to x. So let's apply this property. In this case, here we have 2 to the power 3. This is equal to x plus 3. And you find that 2 to the power 3 from here, this is the same thing as 8. So we have 8 is equal to x plus 3. So this implies that x is equal to 8 minus 3. And therefore, x is equal to 5. From here, this is the value of x. Now, let's verify that this value of x satisfies the equation. Let's verify from here. So we have log x plus 3 raised to the power of 12 to base 2. This should give us a value of 36. So substituting the value of x here, so we have log 5 plus 3 raised to the power of 12 to base 2. This is equal to 36. So from here, we have log 8 to the power of 12 to base 2. This is equal to 36. Now changing this into index notation from here, this is the same thing as 2 to the power of 36. This is equal to 8 to the power 12. So let's check if this is true. 2 to the power 36, this is equal to 8 to the power 12. So let's check if this is true. So we have 2 to the power 36, this is equal to 8 to the power 12. We can express 8 as 2 to the power 3. So this is 2 to the power 3 raised to the power 12. Now 2 to the power 3 raised to the power 12, this is in the form of a to the power n raised to the power m, which we can express as a to the power n times m. Now applying this exponent property, here we have 2 to the power of 36. This is equal to 2 to the power 3 times 12. And therefore, here we have 2 to the power 36. This is equal to 2 to the power 36. So this implies that the left hand side is equal to the right hand side. And this implies that the value of x, which is equal to 5, satisfies the equation. So kindly follow the steps, like this video and subscribe. See you in the next video. Bye bye.